In this video, I will show you how to adjust the touchscreen brightness in your Kia Sportage. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, having the right screen brightness is essential for a comfortable and safe driving experience. Let's get started. First, turn on the ignition or start the engine to activate the infotainment screen. From the home screen, locate and press the setup icon. In the settings menu, tap on the display option to open the display settings. Here you will see options to adjust various display settings, including brightness. In the dimming menu, the first option you will see is auto illumination. When this option is activated, the display brightness is automatically adjusted according to the ambient lighting conditions. If you turn off the auto illumination option, you can then individually choose between daylight and night mode, whichever you prefer. I like to keep it at auto mode. To manually adjust the screen brightness, tap on brightness in the left menu. Use the slider or buttons provided to increase or decrease the brightness to your preference. You can adjust it to be brighter during the day or dimmer at night to reduce glare. Once you have set the brightness to your liking, you can return to the home screen by pressing the home button. Your settings will be saved automatically. If you feel that the center touchscreen is distracting when driving at night, even at its lowest brightness setting, you can always turn off the display by tapping on Display Off button on the top right corner of the screen. To turn it back on, just tap anywhere on the screen. Now back to display settings. If you want to reset the display settings, tap on the default option on the left menu. Then tap on Default button on the right side of the screen. A warning message will appear. Do you want to reset the display settings? Tap on Yes to proceed. This will reset all display settings to their factory defaults. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.